Hello everybody. It is Cicely Justine here. Welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a get ready with me along with a mini vlog for a boat cruise. We're heading on a boat right now. So stay tuned and let's get started. All right, everybody, so I'm out the shower. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of makeup, just a little bit. I don't do like foundation and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you what I do when it's a special occasion, because I'm just really not a makeup girl. If you know me, you know I'm not a makeup girl. No, shade to girls who do put on makeup. I think people who put on makeup are beautiful, right? But I'm just not at that place. Now, in the future, I may be at that place where I want to put on makeup, but right now, I'm just not there. So here is what I do for makeup. I use the Fenty Beauty, and they're like, they're like magnets, so they stick together, which is pretty cool. So I use the suede for like under my eye. So let's do that first. And then I'm just gonna pat that in. It just gives me a more polished look under my eye. You know how girls put like the concealer like right in this area? That's kind of what I'm doing. I'm just starting with my eye. So I'm gonna put some kind of down here. Then I'm gonna put some up there, go down a little bit. Like that. So now I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Espresso. So this is just gonna help me with contouring my face. Last, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Cinnamon Stick, and this has like a little shimmery shine to it, so I just like to put that on my cheeks for like a blushy look. And I'm gonna go in with my ring finger because I don't already use these two fingers, and I'm just gonna blend that out. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Unstoppable Eyeliner. I'm going to go over here to the mirror. Okay. Alright, I do not put on mascara because I already have my false lash extensions. I already have my false lash extensions on, so I never put on mascara. And I'm gonna do the lip last after I do my hair. So let's get into this hair. Alright, so I went out with my friends last night and my hair, I put my hair, I'm gonna show you. Let me take this down. I might leave my hair alone, because I put it in like this bun. I may leave it alone, y'all. What y'all think? If I don't leave it like this, I was gonna try to put a braid coming across here and then pulling my hair all the way up into a top bun, but what's the point? I think I'm gonna leave my hair like this. And I know this is not a get ready with me because my hair was already ready, but I'm gonna leave it like this. And the reason why I have my hair like this is because I had some rubber bands over here and they need to be covered, so I had to do kind of like a side thing. I wish my swoop was a little bit more distinct, but I'll take it. And I'll just wear some really big earrings. So let's get into what I'm going to wear, since I'm gonna leave my hair just as it is. Say hi to the camera.
Maybe not. You get a chance.
Are just on the water, headed to Wine and Water. And we're gonna do a little bit of wine tasting. So I'm excited to taste this wine and just have a nice Sunday out on the water. I rarely get to do this, so I try to do it as often as I can. So let's go. Having a good time, as you can see. A real good time. Yes.
Yeah, like I went to a Korean bathhouse. And I was trying to get my girlfriend to go. They were like, you have to be completely nude. Yes. The bathhouse. Yes. Right. And they were like, I don't feel comfortable with that. And I was like,
oh, look what Ebony got. She got water, the spray water that you can spray on your face. She got everything, okay? Go ahead and spray me. And it feels so good.
Anybody want to be sprayed down? Want some water
And it feels so good. Like, why does she have everything? Like, she made sure we ate. She made sure we was hydrated. Look.
Oh, yes. Oh, thank you. I definitely have to go get me some.
I'm good.
I definitely have to go get me a face water.
Yes.
Face water. I got the face water, yes. Yes.
I just love it. Ebony has everything. This is my good friend right here. This is my good friend right here.
Oh, yeah. I just found this.
She packed lunch for us. She packed water for us. She made sure we was good.
Let me take a picture of
It's
you.
called Yummy
It's a real friend, okay? Get you one. You can't have mine. Alright everybody, so it is the end of the video. I am back at home. It is time to get ready for Monday, which is tomorrow. So back to family life. I had a blast. Thank you for joining me on this get ready with me and mini vlog. I hope you all enjoyed it. I plan on doing more of these and just getting better and better. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you like this content. It'll let me know, and it'll help me, you know what I mean? So thank you all, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye.